Hello, crazy world. You've arrived at That's a Pretty Crazy Idea. And me, I'm John.
What I have is a non-retracting cable. It's there, but it doesn't come all the way back. I cleaned the spring, but there's still a little bit of movement, and consequently you can't shut the bonnet. What I'm going to be doing is drilling a hole in here so that I can just put my finger in and pull it back. Yeah, I cleaned up the springs as good as I could, but it didn't really work perfectly, so the cable's got some little bit of fraying going on. So what I'm going to be doing is, once I've drilled that, the other thing that will happen is this. If you put the hole in here, you can then reach in here with a screwdriver, and let's say the cable breaks and you've got no way to get this unlatched, you can just stick a screwdriver in from the top here, in through here, and pull back on the release, and then it'll just release like normal. I've seen that Bert, I can't remember what the name of it, but it's to do with Mercedes. He's got a whole thing there. He actually attached a second cable and put it through, because otherwise you can't get this bonnet open without some major surgery. But yeah, I figured the hole here is the easiest thing. Might let a little bit of rain in, but hey, it's a really old car, so that's my solution for the A160. So that's the hole, and through there you can see the pin, and that should make nice and easy access through the hood. We'll just try it. Okay, goes down nice and hard. So let's stick the long screwdriver in and see if I can get it to move the pin. There we go. A little bit of fiddling around. Works just fine. And then when you need to pull it back, you just stick your finger through finger through the hole. Hold on, let me prop this up. Then when you need to pull it back, well, getting your finger down in there is pretty hard, but get it through the hole here, it's nice and easy. So the size of drill I used ended up being 1.5 inch, and yeah, worked just fine. The other thing that you need to do is you need a really long screwdriver. The short one, I think it only came to about here, in here, didn't quite make it, so you do need a heavy duty long screwdriver. Okay, so once you open it, this is what happens when the latch doesn't work anymore. Oh, trust it to work that time. When the latch stops working because of the problem I have, it won't lock down. So all I have to do now is stick my finger in there and go blink. Now it'll latch. There we go. That's done.